We are very excited to officially release our brand new Arduino UNO footprint, the drawing board. This education-focused product has a brand new approach to plug-and-play breakouts. We specifically designed it for our low-cost, programming-focused educational kit. You can sign up for our newsletter and social medias at dbboards.com. Then you'll be the first to know when we launch our educational kit, and the first to know about our new product releases, our tutorials, and our showcases that hit the website every week. Now let's take a look at the drawing board layout. There are 4 separate breakouts for 4 separate types of programming. Each breakout contains a 5 volt, a 3.3 volt, and a ground rail, making them perfect for plug-and-play boards. Our first breakout is the digital breakout. It has D6, D3, and D5 broken out directly. Every single pin that's broken out on this board is digital capable, including the ones on the other 3 breakouts. Every pin in the digital breakout can output 20 milliamps at 5 volts, making it possible to switch large relays for 110 volt circuits. This makes it simple for you to switch things in your house, like fans or lights, or your coffee pot in the morning, or your TV when you fall asleep. It also has enough power to drive small motors or LEDs. Each pin is capable of PWM, which makes them ideal for servos and buzzers, for dimming projects, and for any pulse width modulation application you may have. Every pin on the entire drawing board is also capable of monitoring input triggers such as buttons or switches of all kinds. Let's take a look at the next pin group, the analog breakout. This breakout has a similar configuration to the digital breakout. It includes A0, A1, and A2. Also on the board are A4 and A5. Each analog pin is 10-bit, giving it 1024 steps between 0 and 5 volts, making it ideal for potentiometers, such as the volume knobs or sliders you'd find in stereos. It's also excellent for a multitude of analog sensors, including flex and pressure sensors, and things like light and sound sensors. These first 2 breakouts give you a powerful set of tools, but let's look at the last 2 breakouts, which let you talk to other microcontrollers. The first section of the breakout is serial communication, including the RX and TX lines. Remember, all communication is done at 5 volt logic from the drawing board. The I2C line includes its SDA and SCL lines. And on the other side of the board, we have the SPI breakout. This breakout includes the necessary clock lines, master in, master out, and slave select pins. I2C, SPI, and serial communication methods are used by devices you see and use all the time. These 2 breakouts allow the drawing board to communicate with much more complex sensors, which at this point is really anything you can think of. It also communicates easily with small cameras and smart LED strips, motor drivers, SD cards, gaming controllers, and countless other third-party development boards and products. The drawing board has 2 holes, which make it easy to mount in your final installation, yet still remains thin enough to be placed in a mini breadboard, leaving 3 rows on either side of the board for prototyping. Because this is our educational kit, we have also placed the FTDI circuitry responsible for programming the Arduino from your computer right on board, equipped with a mini B USB cord that allows easy classroom and home programming with 1 cord. And don't forget, we have a helpful support team and available contractors that can answer your questions and bring your custom project to life. Come visit us at dbboards.com.